Ramon Monteshiba Tulfo Jr., born November 22, 1946, is a Filipino TV host, radio broadcaster, and newspaper columnist. Ramon Tulfo is the eldest of 10 siblings, with 6 brothers and 3 sisters, namely Tucci, Bong, Joseph, Adele, broadcasters Raffy, Ben, Erwin, as well as former Tourism Secretary Wanda Corazon Teo. He is the son of the late Colonel Ramon Silvestre Tulfo Sr., who was a member of Philippine Constabulary, and Caridad Teshiba Tulfo, a housewife who died in 2024 at the age of 97. Due to his father's occupation, his family moved throughout the country, one location after the other. Ramon Tulfo is the host of the 23-year running program, Sumbong Mo Kay Tulfo, a public service program on DZRJ Radio Bandido. In his hour-long show, he and his co-host Alan Ferrer tackle community problems, including complaints filed against government officials and policemen. He is the brother of Wanda Tulfo Teo and broadcaster hosts Ben Tulfo, Senator Raffy Tulfo, and Senator-elect Erwin Tulfo, who all have their own brands of public service programs. Wanda, along with Ben, Raffy, and Erwin, became involved in a 60 million peso corruption scandal which happened while Wanda Teo was the tourism chief. Tulfo began his career as a radio announcer, serving various stations throughout the Philippines for 3 years. He later became a newspaper columnist, working at Bulletin Today, now the Manila Bulletin, for nearly a decade before moving to the Philippine Daily Inquirer in the 1980s. Special Envoy to China. On October 23, 2018, President Rodrigo Duterte appointed Tulfo as the Special Envoy for Public Diplomacy to China. He was to hold the post for 6 months and had a salary of Philippine peso 1 per year. His term was extended for another 6 months on May 27, 2019. However, as of February 24, 2021, he was unsure if he was still the special envoy to China. According to him, even though his term had already lapsed, his appointment was not revoked either. He also expressed willingness to give up his post to become a Philippine distributor of the Sinopharm Bib COVID-19 vaccine. Tulfo has been widely criticized for his public support of the death penalty, whether the case is considered a heinous crime or not. He has voiced opposition to LGBT rights and has also criticized the Iglesia and Cristo due to personal hatred. Tulfo has also outspokenly discriminated Muslim Filipinos, using jokes against Islamic beliefs during the height of killings against Muslims in the Philippines. He also drew flack after stating that Muslims in Christian-majority areas should be removed and relocated in war-torn areas in Mindanao. Philippine General Hospital incident equals on August 2018, Mr. Tulfo caused a ruckus at the emergency room department of the Philippine General Hospital. In a video posted on Facebook, Mr. Tulfo can be seen harassing an emergency room physician after the doctor did not want to be recorded on video by Mr. Tulfo prior to providing medical treatment to a child who sustained minor injuries when Mr. Tulfo's convoy hit the child on the same day. Video recording in hospital premises is in violation of the Philippine Data Privacy Act of 2012, as well as in violation of the patient's right to privacy and right to consent. The victim's mother was also seen to be pleading to Mr. Tulfo to stop his harassment as her daughter was getting scared of the ordeal. Mr. Tulfo has refused to apologize to PGH for the incident. Former Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdia first filed these complaints against Tulfo, along with 5 others from the Manila Times, before the Manila Prosecutor's Office in relation to the latter's articles accusing the official of corruption and using his power to harass journalists. Tulfo posted bail in 2020 before Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 12. As of May 2023, the cases filed by Medialdia and Aguirre are pending in courts. Also in 2019, same complaints were also filed separately by Bureau of Internal Revenue officials, Commissioner Cesar Dulay and Executive Assistant Adonis Sampson against Tulfo and the Manila Times officials and editors at the Quezon City Prosecutor's Office. Both were related to a series of articles alleging corruption within the agency. The latter also involved Tulfo's social media post. Cyberlibel charge was also filed against him in 2022 by former Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre before the Manila RTC for his columns published in the Philippine Daily Inquirer, accusing the official as the alleged protector of syndicates behind the so-called pastillas scam at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, 28 in May. He was arrested at the Manila City Hall based on the warrant issued by Manila RTC Branch 24. In March 2020, he voluntarily surrendered to police after Manila RTC Branches 10 and 46 released arrest warrants against him over undisclosed cyberlibel cases. Some sources and even his own column in the Manila Times hint that there is occasional friction between the Tulfo siblings, particularly between him, Ben and Raffy, resulting in mutually scathing criticism for the other. However, they have been known to work together as one, with the Mabalacat drug den raid being such an example. Raffy, Erwin, and Ben also came to his aid when he was assaulted in the airport, going as far as airing a veiled death threat to the perpetrators. As of June 2022, his Asumbong Moke Tulfo public service brand has been inherited by his son, Ramon Bon Tulfo III, and rebranded as Sumbong Mo Axion Co., his grandson, Ramon Enrique B. 1998, the son of Patrick committed suicide on October 26th. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.